Nasi Dagang is from Terengganu.
Okay.
Also, Kelantan also have their own Nasi Dagang.
This is the second plate of Nasi Dagang that we're having this afternoon for lunch.
Habibi, come to Malaysia.
Sedap. Greetings everyone, it's a beautiful afternoon here in Kuala Lumpur and we are back for another gastronomic adventure here in Kuala Lumpur, and today we'll be trying this traditional Malaysian dish that came from the east coast of Malaysia called Nasi Dagang. So guys, I'll be trying it for the first time with my bro, so let's try it together, this flavorful Malaysian dish. Let's go. Assalamu alaikum. We want to eat Nasi Dagang. Yeah, okay, let's have it. This one is Malaysian dish, right? From Kelantan. Chicken. Well, this sambal. I don't know. All right, I think this should be enough. We have our Nasi Dagang. Guys, let's try Nasi Dagang for the first time. Let's do this. I'm so curious. The aroma smells so good. Guys, let's try it. Just take a look at the plate. So much of protein packed in it. I've got some local tender chicken, beef, spicy sambar, and a colorful mix of vegetable. The texture of the rice is a bit creamy because it's cooked with coconut milk. And then the rice also has like a fenugreek seed inside, with slightly sticky and yet fluffy texture. So unique. This is delicious. I'm beginning to feel the heat. Every bite is a burst of flavor. The sambar brings that bold and spicy kick. The chicken is well marinated, tender and juicy. Mix it up. It's a beautiful combination when you mix everything together and eat. Seriously, I'm loving this dish. Ayam kampung. Mix it all up. Have to break it up. This is not your usual chicken. This is the local chicken called ayam kampung. Ayam kampung hits differently. Sedap. Definitely one plate of this Nasi Dagang is not enough. We need another plate. Let's go for round 2. Join me, guys. This is Sedab. Wow. Done. Yeah, that's what I want to do that now. They didn't tell me. Yeah. Okay, I need a little bit of the rice, Nasi Dagang, and then want to eat with the lamb.
Dia nak makan nasi dagangnya kambing. Kambing. You want baru satu, dia nak lagi.
Satu.
Nak satu lagi?
Yeah, kecil.
I can speak English.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
You can tell me.
Okay. Yeah. I didn't know. I wanted to try something,
This is
traditional.
the Kelantanese food, you know?
Nice. So do I need to put?
But you know,
Oh, very old.
it's like 30 years old already.
30 here.
Even over 30 years old, this shop.
Dia dah tahu dia.
16 years old. My
Oh.
age.
Oh, Mama, you do already?
Yeah.
Oh, long time already.
Yeah.
Good.
Orang try lamb.
Yeah. Put lamb for me.
Dia bagi makan.
Kambing.
You want to try fat? This one?
Maybe a little bit.
Ya.
Yeah.
Lemak sikit lah ni. Lemak bakar. Okay. This one is the best seller, you know.
Oh, the
For
best seller.
Malaysian people.
What is called lamb?
This one is the fat and the lamb.
Lamb. Okay.
Combined together, it's very good.
For the nasi
Yeah.
dangang.
For the nasi. Yeah.
Bagi dia satu.
You combine with the rice and then you just
And then you eat.
take a bite.
Last time I tried nasi kerabu.
Yeah.
So now I'm here to try nasi dangang. Yeah.
Nasi kerabu, you have to make this first. You have to mix all the veggies.
All the veggies.
The veggies, the fish, and then you take a
And
bite.
then you take.
And then that is a feel good. Nasi dagang is from Terengganu.
Okay.
Also Kelantan also have their own nasi dagang, but they different taste.
Different taste.
But nasi kerabu and nasi dagang in Terengganu different. Nasi kerabu in Kelantan different.
Okay.
Tadi dia ambil kuah kari.
Oh, gula ikan tak ada?
Habis.
Oh,
Yang ini kot.
this one.
Tadi dia ambil.
This one?
You can take this one.
Okay, this one please.
More.
Yeah, more of it.
Okay.
Yeah, put that sweet one also. This one.
one?
Yeah,
This
this one. Yeah.
This?
Yeah. I want a little bit of it.
This is spicy, you know?
Yeah. I like it spicy.
That's the Malaysian taste.
All right. Thank you.
Spicy.
Previously, we tried the nasi dagang without the gambin, which is lamb. So we were not informed about the lamb. So now the owner of the shop, the mama, just told us that we need to eat it with this. So we had to order another extra plate to try it together with the gambin and the fat. So guys, let's do it. Let's eat it together. This is the second plate of nasi dagang that we're having this afternoon for lunch. Yes. So you have to mix it together with the fat. Now this is the rich flavor I'm talking about. Together with the fat. And then mix it all up. The vegetable. Now it tastes better now with the combination. Hold on. This gambeng is so tasty, flavorful. I think I want some more. Wow. Ah, yes. Ooh. Rich flavors of Malaysia. Interesting dish.
Kalau siapa-siapa nak mari makan nasi kabu, kambing bakar, lemak bakar, daging bakar, marilah kedai Mek deh. Di Jalan Usahawan Setapak, Medan Selera Jalan Usahawan Setapak, nasi ulai Pantai Timur. Kedai Mek ada 2 kedai, satu kedai di nombor 4 ada nasi kerabu, nasi belauk, nasi daging, laksa. Lepas tu nasi kedai nombor 5 ada nasi sup deh. Nasi sup perut bulat, perut biasa, sup tulang, sup ekor deh. Setiap hari kecuali hari Ahad. Hari Ahad Mek tutup. Hari Isnin sampai hari Sabtu Mek buka seperti biasa. Okey, kalau siapa-siapa nak rasa nasi Rabu Mek, datang ke Jalan Usahawan Setapak Kuala Lumpur deh. Medan Selera Jalan Usahawan Setapak, nasi ulai Pantai Timur. Okey, nice.
Terima kasih.
Okey, sama-sama.
Terima kasih.
You take my number.
Mama gave me. Mama gave us free food. The second plate, Mama said we shouldn't pay for it, so it was free. She gave us free. Terima kasih, Ma. Terima kasih.